This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back. Can you see my screen, everyone, online?
Yes, sir.
So everyone, can you change your ID in place of your name? Can you change your ID? So you can check your email. You can check your email. You got some student ID, right? So that you have to modify it. In place of your name, you can change your ID. Can you change quickly? Whoever received the IDs, whoever not received, so let me know. I'll provide you the ID, student ID. Quickly, can you change?
Ram, I did not receive.
Yeah, I provide you. Narasimha, no issues. I'll provide you. Okay, just ping me after the session. I provide you.
Okay.
Narasimha, I think I got the sheet. Let me check quickly. So everyone, can you change whoever got the IDs? It is very simple. How to change the ID? We provided one document. Just follow that. Yeah, Gayatri, your ID is HART 2908. You can take HART, Harsha Trainings, HART capital letters 2908.
I know. Thank you.
Right, so everyone can check the email and can change. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, make sure you have to use the ID only, right? So if you use your name, go to meeting will suspend your name. Okay, so that is why make sure you have to use the ID only, student ID. Fine. Yeah. Right. Fine. Today's concept is AMS, customized AMS. How can we create customized AMS? What is AMI? We'll try to understand. Amazon Mission Images. What is AMI? Anyone? Yesterday we discussed, right? Whatever default AMIs are there in AWS console, we used that, right? So when you want to create any instance, click on launch instance. So here we have AMIs. These are all AMIs. Click on browse more AMIs. See here, all products like 46 AMIs are there. Amazon Mission Images. So what is this AMI? What is AMI? Anyone? It is a
Is a software operating system.
it is a master copy. We can say master copy. For example, so if you want to install Windows on your laptop, how can we install? By using image, some image, right? Operating system image. So that is one master copy, right? So in server level also we use one master copy to install, configure operating system. So on top of that we can deploy required packages, right? So operating system is a platform. On top of that we can deploy plugins, patches, applications, whatever you require. Fine. So AWS is providing 46 default AMIs, 46 default images. By using this, we can install, configure operating system, right? But these AMIs are, this is base AMIs, normal AMIs, right? Yeah. Now, so I give small example here. For example, there is a Java project, right? Yeah. So this is the first project. This project, yeah. So this project we can say normally when any startup company, so when any company, when they want to get real project from client, US client, Europe client, what they will do? They prepare some POC. They prepare some POC, right? What is POC? Anyone?
Point of contact. So
Proof of
project
concept.
header.
Proof of concept.
So yeah, this is startup company, right? So every project team, when they want to get real project from client, so before that they need to showcase something to the client, which is nothing but POC. POC full form is, it's a proof of concept. It's a just proof. For example, if you want to buy any laptop or mobile, so what you will check? You will check some proof, some reviews, some testimonies, right? So the same way, when the project teams, when they try to get any project from client, they need to prepare some POC, some sample project. They need to showcase to client. Then only they get the real project. If the client is approved, so they will get real project, right? Yeah. For this POC, for example, so client asks you to take 3 development servers. 3 development servers, 3 QA servers, 3 prod servers, production servers. So why we require 3 types of servers here? So when developers develop the code on development servers, they don't directly deploy onto production. Before that, testing should be happened in QA servers, right? Once testing is happened, then finally the applications will be deployed onto production servers, right? Yeah. Fine. So here for POC, so on development servers, we deployed Java, Git, Maven, Ansible, and Tomcat. Okay. So on development servers, we deployed all these packages. On QA servers, we deployed testing tools, right? On production servers, we deployed prod applications, right? So different packages we deployed on these different environments, right? Yeah. So these servers are fully configured, right? So once this POC is completed, we have to showcase this POC to client. If the client is approved, we'll get real project. That is the scenario. Fine. So client is approved. This POC is approved by client. So once client approved, the same servers, development servers, we require 100 more servers because we get real project. Once client is approved, this POC, we get real project. So 100 QA servers also required here. Also 100 prod servers also required, production servers, right? Yeah. Creating server will take 1 minute job. One server, 100 server, 1000 servers, we can create within 1 minute, right? But deploying packages will take some time. This packages when you want to deploy and configure, this will take some time. So cloud is all about costing and automation. So we can implement the automation in cloud, right? Yeah. So once the POC is success, POC is approved by client, we can create 100 servers within 1 minute. But this packages will take some time to configure. This should be automated. This package should be automated. We should not spend more time. Within 1 minute only, we have to create 100 servers with all packages. We should not spend more time for installing, configuring packages. That is why what we will do. So whatever server we fully configured here, development server, this server, we can take it as a one AMI, which is one master copy, right? So earlier we used to use ghost images, and also cloning, right? So in physical environment, we used to use cloning, ghost image. So the same way in cloud environment, so we have AMIs concept. In AMIs, what we will do? We prepare one master copy, right? So here, what we will do? We prepare one AMI for this QA server also, right? And here, prod server also, we can prepare one AMI. So AMI is a master copy, right? Once we prepare this AMI, by using this AMI, we can create n number of servers with 1 minute only, without any like deployment, without any manual configurations. We can create all the servers with all packages, all configuration within 1 minute only, right? For example, you have one document. In that document, you prepared all the content, whatever you require. The same document you require 1000 copies. What you will do? Instead of preparing all the documents, you will take Xerox, photocopies, right? So the same way, so this is the master copy. In this master copy, we prepared all the image, all the package, one master image package. By using this AMI, we can create a number of servers whenever we get requirement in real-time projects, right? In real-time projects, we use customized AMIs only. Default AMIs we don't use. Okay, so these are the customized AMIs. As per the requirement, we can prepare this AMI, and we can use this AMI to create the servers. Okay, so any questions here, anyone? Is it clear to you, everyone? Everyone understand, right, this concept? In real-time projects, creating server will take 1 minute, but deploying packages will take more time. To avoid that, what we are doing here, we are preparing customized AMIs, our own images. By using that image, we can create a number of servers within 1 minute. So when you use this customized AMI, whatever packages, whatever configurations are available on this development server or QA server, all the configurations will be available once you create the server. Only IP will be changed, but everything will be same. Right? Clear, right, everyone?
So
In
100
real-
different AMIs will be there, or one AMI will be there?
Number of AMIs you can create, whatever you require. For development, one AMI, QA, one AMI, production, one AMI, whatever you require. You can prepare that, right? By using that, you can create servers. In a VMware environment, virtual environment, VMware, we use templates. In VMware, any admins are there, they will understand. Okay. In VMware environment, we use templates. The same way, here also we use AMIs. In VMware, it is template. Okay, so it is a master copy. Simply you can say master copy. Fine. Clear, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go with the lab?
We can
Shall we
create our own
this?
AMI, right?
Sure. Name? Can you come again?
Shiva. We can create our own AMI, right? In future.
Yes, yes, yes. You can create your own AMI. Yes. Right. Yeah. Go to services, click on EC2. So what I will do, I create one server, development server. In that server, I deploy all the packages, this packages. Okay. Yeah, bit commands, command language there. Don't confuse while working on Linux sessions. So we'll discuss that commands. Yeah, in detail we discuss that, right? So for now, just try to understand how to deploy the packages. Okay. Yeah, I take one development server. In the development server, I install, configure all these packages. So this development server I convert into, I take one AMI. By using that AMI, I can create a number of servers. Okay. Yeah. Click on launch instance. Dev server. So now what I will do, I want to take Ubuntu server, different server. Yesterday we created Amazon Linux, right? So today I'm going to take Ubuntu as a development server. Click on Ubuntu server. Now Ubuntu 18.04 flavor I want to take. Ubuntu server 18.04. Select this. Yeah, Ubuntu, right? Now T2 micro only. So key pair I want to take test key pair. Security group also I want to use existing security group. 63 Alt TCP I want to use. Select this. So here 8 GB storage only. Yeah, one instance. So this is this is a Ubuntu server AMI and T2 micro key pair, right? 8 GB. Click on launch instance. Yeah, now the dev server is in running state, right? Copy public IP, open PuTTY, paste here, SSH, click on authentication, browse, and select test key pair, open. Yes, what is the user here? Default user? Ubuntu one, right? Ubuntu server, Ubuntu. Enter. Increase the font size, right click, change settings, appearance, change, bold, 14 or 16, whatever. Okay, apply. Right. So this is my Ubuntu server. Clear the screen. Yeah. Now in this server, I want to deploy different packages, right? So before deploying any packages, first we have to upgrade internal repository. Every Linux server will have internal repository that we have to upgrade, right? Update. So for which command here is sudo space. So before this, so I am pinging google.com. I'll tell you. Okay. Yeah. So before going to this deployments, first I want to tell you something here. Yeah. So in Linux, we have two types of families are there. Linux families. Linux families. We have two types of Linux families are there, which are like first one, Debian family. Second one is Red Hat family. In Linux, we have two types of families, Debian family, Red Hat family. So what is Debian family? What is Red Hat family? Right? So both are same, functionality wise, both are same. There is a slight difference in command side. Okay. Yeah. So why they are divided into two families? Because two different supported layers are there inside of this Linux. Okay. Yeah. So in this Debian family, different flavors are there. In Debian family, different flavors. In the Red Hat family also, different flavors are there. What are those? We'll try to understand. In Debian family, flavors are Ubuntu, Fedora, AV Linux, and GRML. These are the popular flavors available in Debian family. So these are the popular flavors available in Debian family, right? So in Red Hat family, we have RHCL, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. RHCL full form is Red Hat Enterprise Linux. RHCL, CentOS, Amazon Linux, and also SUSE Linux. So these are the popular flavors available in Red Hat family. So why this many flavors? Because different applications we use in real-time projects. Different flavors will support different applications. Okay. Yeah. So what is the difference here? What is the difference here? So when we use the Debian family servers, when you want to deploy any packages, we use a command like sudo apt get install git. For example, if you want to install git, this is a command. In Debian family, when you want to deploy any package, sudo apt-get is the command. Apt-get is the command. Okay. But whereas Red Hat family. So in place of sudo apt-get, what we use sudo yum install git space -y. So these comments I explain again while working on Linux sessions. Okay, so just try to understand here. So because we are working on AMIs, right? This command is required. So this is the slight difference here when we use different flavors. Apt-get install git -y, yum install git -y, right? So in real-time projects, most of the project teams they are using Ubuntu, RHCL, CentOS, Amazon Linux. These are the popular flavors in real-time projects we use most of the time. Okay, yeah. So currently we have created one server. This is Ubuntu server. Ubuntu is which family? Debian family. That is why when you want to install packages, this is the command apt-get we have to use, right? Yeah. Now, yeah. So why I'm pinging google.com here? So if you leave the session will be timeout. So if you leave the session for 3 minutes or more than 3 minutes, session will be timed out. That is why. So if you ping google.com, server will be busy. If you stop the ping, control Z to stop. So if you ping, once you ping google.com, server will be busy. If you want to stop this, control Z or control C, both are same. Control Z to stop this, right? So now clear the screen, just clear. You can give clear, right? Yeah. Now in this server, I want to deploy some packages. Okay. Yeah. So before deploying the packages, every Linux server will have internal repository that we have to update first, right? How to update? Sudo apt get update space -y. Enter. Now this is updating internal repository, updating now. Yeah, now it is updated. So once it is updated, after that, I want to install Java, right? How to install Java? Command here is sudo apt get install openjdk -8 star. This is the command to install Java space -y. To install Java 8, this is the command sudo apt-get space install space openjdk -8 star space -y. Enter. Now Java is installed. Can you mute everyone? Some background noise is coming in. Yeah, so now the Java is installing. Yeah, so now Java is installed, right? So clear the screen. Just want to clear the screen. Now Java is installed or not. If you want to check, command here is Java space -version. Here, OpenJDK version 1.8.0 install. Right. Next one, second package, which is I want to install Git. Okay. Yeah. Now command here is sudo apt get install git space -y. Enter. Yeah. Now Git is installed. So now we can check git space -version to check the Git version. Here 2.17.1. If you want to check Java version, Java space -version, only one hyphen. If you want to check Git version, Git space -version. Next one, I want to install Maven. Sudo apt get install Maven space -version. Maven is installing. Yeah, Maven is installed. I want to check Maven version. Command here is mvn space -version. See here, Maven is available, right? Maven is installed. Maven Apache Maven 3.6.0 installed. Next one, Ansible. I want to install Ansible package. sudo apt get install Ansible space hyphen version, sorry, Ansible space hyphen y. Enter. Now Ansible is installing. Yeah, Ansible is installed, right? Yeah, once Ansible is installed, if you want to check the Ansible version, command here is Ansible space hyphen version. See here, Ansible 2.5.1. Ansible required Python, right? So before installing Ansible, first Python will be installed. See here, Python version 2.7.17. Ansible is there, Python also there, right? Now, so 4 packages we installed, right? Java, Git, Maven, Ansible. Tomcat we required. Next, Tomcat. So Tomcat is not available inside of the Linux server. So currently Java, Git, Maven, Ansible, these packages are available inside of the server only. That is why we installed. But Tomcat will not be available inside of the Linux server. Tomcat we have to download from internet, right? Yeah, how can we download? Go to browser, download Apache Tomcat for Windows, for Linux, for Ubuntu, right? Yeah, Apache Tomcat 8 is stable version. Enter here. So this is the official site, tomcat.apache.org, right? So click on this, open this. This is the Tomcat official site. So Tomcat 8 I want to download. Tomcat 8. Click on this. Go down here. Yeah. Now, normally when you want to download any package, what we will do? We just click on the package. It will download into Windows. But when you want to download into Linux, how can we download? So these are the packages. So zip file, tar file, right? So Windows 32-bit file, 64-bit, different packages. Now this tar file I want to download into Linux. How can we download? So right click on the tar file, copy link address. So if you want to download the tar file, right click on this, copy link address, go to console. Here, what the command to download? Anyone? Admins, any admins? To download any package into Linux server, what is the command?
We can use wget, sir.
Wget, right? Yeah, wget
Yes.
is the command. Wget space whatever link you copied. So here you copied one link, right? So right click on tar file, copy link address, right? Here you can right click, just right click, you will paste it, right? Wget space, you can right click here, you can paste the whatever you copied, enter now. Now this package is downloaded. Apache Tomcat package is downloaded. Now if you check ls here, ls is the command to list files and directories. To list files and directories. So now Tomcat file is available, tar file. So this is tar file, right? This file we have to untar. Normally zip files we unzip, right? The same way tar files we have to untar, right? Yeah, how can we untar this file? The command here is tar space hyphen xvzdf is the option. xvzdf is the option. So we'll discuss about this while working on Linux. Don't confuse. Okay. So xvzdf is the option. Just keep in your mind. Yeah. Space. We have to give the file name. This file name. So just type APA. 3 letters only. Just type APA and use tab. Click on tab. It will take full name. See here. Just type APA 3 letters. use the tab, it will take full name. Enter now. Now it is untar. Untar means unzip, right? Now, if you check here ls, see here, this file, tar file is untar. This is the untar file. Okay. So Tomcat, Apache Tomcat, we don't need to install. Okay. We just untar that file and we have to start the service. That's it. Tomcat will work. Okay. Yeah. Now clear the screen. ls here. So this is the untar file. Go to this folder. This is untar folder. Go to this folder. cd Apache Tomcat folder. Enter cd. cd means change directory. So I move to Apache Tomcat folder. cd Apache Tomcat folder. I just move to Tomcat folder. After that, ls here. So we have to go inside of the bin directory. Yeah, here cd. cd means change directory. Change directory. Give bin. We have to go bin directory. Enter. Now, if you check ls here, we have some commands are there. These are the different commands. Shutdown.sh, startup.sh. We have to execute these two commands to start the Tomcat service. So Tomcat we downloaded, we untar that. After that, we have to start the service. Then Tomcat will work. Right now, if you want to start this Tomcat service, /shutdown.sh. This command you have to execute. Just type shu and use tab. Will take full name shutdown.sh. So before start the service, we have to shut down the service first. Okay, enter. Now it is stopped. Shut down the service. After that, again /startup.sh. This one. Just type st and use the tab. Enter. Now service started. See here, Tomcat is started. Tomcat service is started. Once Tomcat is started, what we have to do? Just ping google.com to avoid session timeout. Once Tomcat is started, copy your development server public IP. Go to browser, paste here, shift:8080 is the port number. Enter. Now Tomcat is accessible through browser. Yeah, Tomcat port number is 808, right? Yeah, so once you execute this IP address of your Tomcat server, port number, Tomcat is accessible now, right? So then you can hand over to project. So these configurations are very important, but in real-time projects, currently we are using advanced tools, which is Terraform. To deploy the packages, we are using Terraform and Ansible. These are the advanced tools, right? So this is basic level. If you understand this, you can easily understand advanced tools, right? So yeah. So when you want to deploy packages manually, this is a process. Okay. Yeah. So now all the packages are installed on this development server, right? So we are working on POC. POC is completed. Once completed the POC, we showcase to client. Client is approved. Client is approved. We require 100 more servers, development servers. Same set of packages we require, 100 servers. In that case, what we have to do? So this development server is fully configured, right? So the same set of servers, we require 100. Once get the requirement from client, what we have to do? We have to configure one master copy, AMI, right? Yeah. Now how to create AMI? We'll try to understand. So this is our server, development server, right? Yeah. Now Yeah. So this is our development server. Just select your server, go to actions, click on actions, image and templates. Click on image and templates, create image. Okay. Yeah. Select your server, go to actions, image and templates, create image. Click on this image name, dev server AMI. I want to give the name like this. Dev server AMI. Just copy this and description also. You can give the same. Go down here. So tag name. Click on add new tag. Name. Then give the same name. Click on create image. Once you click on create image, one AMI will be prepared. Okay. Click on create image. Now this server I'm taking one AMI master copy. Now here we have AMIs are there, right? Click on this AMIs. See here, this AMI is being ready. So see here, this AMI is preparing. It is in pending. It will take 2 minutes to prepare. Once it is prepared, by using this AMI, we can create servers. Yeah. So don't confuse anywhere. So this concept will be repeated 2 times. Okay. While working on Linux, we repeat this. While working on first project, CI/CD project. By the time also I repeat this.
Ram, I have a question here.
Yeah. Yeah. Great.
Yeah, so the order is important or the installation of these packages or not?
No, order is not important. So any order you can execute. Not an issue.
Oh, So usually in the production also, we are going to copy the same AMI across all the all the
Yes.
servers from QA to prod.
Yeah. Yes. Same way for QA and prod also, we can create customized AMIs in real-time process.
Okay. So we are not using any specific images for the production. So the same will be used.
No. Production applications, production servers, we can use different AMI. We can create, we can generate one different AMI because
Different.
production servers, yeah. So every server will have their own packages, right? Every project will have
Right.
their own package. See, now this is available, right? AMI is prepared. This AMI is ready, right? So now, by using this AMI, we can create n number of servers within 1 minute. So when we use this AMI, what will happen? All the packages will be available once we create the servers, right? All the configurations, packages, everything will be available. Now I want to create 5 servers, 5 different servers. Click on launch instance. By using customized AMI, I want to create. Okay. Yeah. So name we can give later also, server name, because 5 servers I want to create. You don't require 100 servers, just 5 servers we can create. Go down here. Yeah. Now, so normally when you want to create server, you can select this flavor, whatever Linux or Windows, you can select this and you can select your default AMS. You can go ahead. So currently I want to use my customized AMI, for which what we have to do, go to my AMIs, click on this. When I select my AMI, see here, dev server AMI, it is showing. This is customized AMI, our own AMI, right? So now I selected this, owned by me. This is my AMI, right? Select this, dev server AMI, instance type T2 micro. If you want to increase the configuration, you can change to T2 medium, T2 large, whatever. Key pair. So I want to select the same key pair. Existing key pair you can use for any servers, any number of servers. Select existing security group. So make sure you have to select RTCP group only. You have to select RTCP group. Why we need to select RTCP? Anyone?
So that all the ports are available.
All the ports are available. When you want to connect Tomcat, what is the Tomcat port number? 8080. If you select only SSH port, Tomcat will not work. That is why you have to select RTCP group only. Yesterday we discussed how to create RTCP group, security group, right? So make sure RTCP should be selected, right? Now storage 8 GB. So number of instances I can give 5. Click on launch instance. Now 5 servers are creating here. These are the 5 servers. Dev 1. You can give the name manually also. Dev 2, Dev 3, Dev 4, Dev 5. Yeah, so only we have 5 servers. That is why we change the name immediately. But if you have 1,000 servers, how can we change? This big task. That is why in real-time projects we use Terraform to add the names. Terraform is advanced tool. So advanced level, by single click we can add the server names. That is advanced tool. While working on Terraform, we'll work on that. We'll see that. Okay. Now these 5 servers are ready. Dev 1, Dev 2, Dev 3, Dev 4, Dev 5. So randomly we can check 3 servers. All the packages are available or not. Okay. Yeah. Now I want to connect development 1, Dev 1 server. Copy public IP. Open new partition. Paste here public IP. SSH authentication browse. Select your key pair. Open. Ubuntu, same username, Ubuntu only. Yeah. So this is a Dev 1 server. Clear the screen. Now, so I want to check Java is available or not in this server. Okay. Java space hyphen version. See here, Java is available. OpenJDK version 1.8.0 is available. Next one, Git space hyphen version. So Git is available. Next one, MVN space hyphen version. See here, Maven, Apache Maven is also available. Next one, Ansible space hyphen version. See here, Ansible also available in the server, right? Python also available. Now, if you check ls, whatever package we downloaded, Apache Tomcat. See here, Apache Tomcat also available. Now, so try to connect this server. This development 1 server, Dev 1 server, I want to connect through browser. I want to connect Tomcat. So copy public IP, go to browser, paste here, shift column 8080 is the port number. Enter. Now the server is not connecting. Why it is not connecting? Service should be started.
Start the service.
Exactly. Tomcat service should be started. So in real-time projects, when we use Terraform, by single click, we can start the services on all servers. That is advanced level. Okay. Yeah. Now go back to Dev 1 server. CD, just type APA, use tab, go to this folder, change directory. ls here, go to bin directory. CD, bin, enter. ls, we have to shut down the service, start up the service, right? /shutdown.sh /startup.sh. Just type st and use tab. Now service started. See here, Tomcat is started. Once Tomcat is started, now if you refresh here, this will connect. See here, now we are able to connect. The server is ready, right? So by using customized AMI, we created the server. In this server, all the packages are available, right? Yeah. Next, one more server we can connect randomly. Third server, Dev 3. Copy this public IP, open new partition. So right click on this putty and open putty, new session. Paste your IP address, SSH authentication, browse, test key pair, open. Yes. Now, username Ubuntu. Increase the font size. Change settings. Appearance change. Bold. Yeah. Now you can check here. Java version is available or not. Java space hyphen version. Java is available. Git space hyphen version. MVN space hyphen version. Maven also available. Next one, Ansible. Ansible space hyphen version. Ansible also available. Next one, LS. Tomcat is available. Now we can go to folder, Apache Tomcat folder, CD, change directory, space, just type APA, U tab, enter. Now Apache Tomcat, LS, go to bin directory, CD bin, enter, LS. Now commands are shutdown.sh, startup.sh, / shutdown.sh, services stop, / startup.sh. Now Tomcat is started. Now using this server, this is a development 3 server, right? So copy public IP, go to browser, paste here, shift : 8080 is the port number. See here. Now we are able to access the Tomcat from development 3 server. Now we can check one more server, which is 5 server also you can check, dev 5. So copy public IP, right click on PuTTY, open new session, paste here IP address, SSH authentication, browse, key pair, open, yes, Ubuntu is a username, right click here, change settings, appearance change, bold, clear the screen. Now I can check Java space hyphen version. Java is available. Git space hyphen version. Git is available. MVN space hyphen version. So Maven also, Apache Maven also available, and Ansible space hyphen version. So Ansible also available. Now check LS. Here, Apache Tomcat. Now go to CD, Apache Tomcat folder, enter LS, CD, go to bin directory, enter LS. Now / shutdown.sh, enter service stop / startup.sh. Now service started, right? So yeah, copy this public IP, dev 5 server public IP, copy this, go to browser, paste here, shift : 8080 is the port number, enter. Now we are able to access Tomcat. So randomly we check the 3 servers. 3 servers are having all the packages. So like this, if you create 100 servers, 1000 servers, all the packages are available, right? So within 1 minute, we can get all the servers, right? Any questions, anyone here? Anyone having any questions?
Yeah, I had one question. In the real-time projects also for Apache Tomcat, we will install the same procedure only?
Yeah, so manually, if you get a chance to work on manual process, same process, but when we use Terraform, so in enterprise level, we don't create manually, we don't configure manually. We use Terraform to configure. So Terraform is very advanced tool. By single click, we can deploy Apache Tomcat. So while working on Terraform, I'll show you. That is advanced level.
Yeah, thank you.
Fine. Yeah, and one more thing. So here port number is 8080, right? So in Jenkins also we use 8080 port number only. Jenkins will work on 8080 port number. Tomcat also work on 8080 port number. So while integrating Tomcat with Jenkins, we have to change this port number. Apache Tomcat port number we have to change. How to change that? We'll see that while working on Linux sessions. I'll show you. Few more commands will be there. Okay, I'll show you while working on Linux sessions. Right. Yeah. Fine. These are the servers which we configure, right? So these servers, I want to terminate. Yeah, once you practice, whatever AMI we created, that we have to delete. So AMI we configure, right? So AMI also operates some storage. If you keep that AMI, some charges will be applied. It will be an operate storage, right? So how to remove the AMI? So click on AMIs. This is the AMI, right? This AMI we have to remove. How can we remove? Select your AMI. Go to Actions, deregister AMI. So once servers are created, if you delete the AMI, nothing will be happening. That is one image. That's it, right? If you remove the AMI, servers will work well without any issues, right? So now select your AMI, click on deregister AMI. Now AMI is removed. Okay. Yes, recycling. Yeah. Once you remove here, it will be gone. Okay. Yeah. Now, so while working on this, while practicing this, without Java, if you try to access Tomcat, it will not be accessible. Without RTCP port, Tomcat will not be accessible. Make sure you have to remember that. While practicing, if you are unable to access Tomcat, so make sure you have to install Java as well as you have to configure RTCP port. Then only Tomcat will be accessible, right? Clear, right? Any questions here? So this concept is very important concept. You have to practice this. Okay. So anyone having any questions? Yesterday someone called me, someone pinged me and asked me that I'm unable to connect server. Timed out or network errors. If you face any issues, let me know. We'll check it out. If you are facing any issues while creating AWS account, everyone created, right? AWS account. Everyone should practice daily, right? So if you miss the practice, so day on day, so concepts are increasing, right? So day on day, every session, we are working on some services. So every day, daily basis, you have to practice so that within 2 months, right, you can easily crack your interview. Any questions, anyone, on previous sessions?
Yeah, I had one question. So when we create the new instance, right? In that instance, we have an option called advanced. So we don't. So that advanced option. So you will be telling those options in the next session, or what exactly those options are?
Yeah, we'll see that. We'll see that. Wait for some time. We'll see that.
Okay.
In advance, we have one tenancy. One option is there. I explained that. Okay, that is important one. We'll see that. Wait for some time. We'll go through that.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Yeah, still anyone having any issues? So I want to clear now. If you have any issues, still we have 20 minutes time, right? So now, if I start any concept, it will take some time, minimum 30 minutes. That is why I want to clear your questions. So this AMI concept is a bit heavy, right? I don't want to start any new concept now. I want to clear your questions if you have any questions.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So you said zones will be replicated to at least one region, right? I mean, availability zones uh, during some previous classes.
Yes.
So will the data be replicated to one server or like different zones, like different zones, multiple zones?
Yeah. So whatever resources are available in your availability zone, for example.
Yeah.
Yeah. See here. In real-time projects, what we will do, we don't use default VPC. Default VPC means default network. We don't use default network. We use customized network, our own VPC. That entire VPC will replicate to other zone. If the zone is down, for example, see here. So US East 2B availability zone. This zone is down. This server will be accessible from other zone. Okay. So entire VPC will be replicated. All the servers, not one server. All the servers will be replicated to other zones. If one zone is
That's
down,
what my question is, like if it's replicated to only one extra zone or will be replicated to multiple zones.
One zone, nearby
Okay.
zone.
Okay,
Even,
that's all. So my doubt
yeah,
is if both the server if both the places if it is down, right, then it will be a problem, right, at the same time.
Other region will take care.
Sure.
Region will
Okay.
take. Even region-wise data also available. If entire region is down, for example, Mumbai region is down completely.
Yeah.
Under Mumbai region, we have different availability zones. All the zones are down. Our data will be accessible from nearby edge location, which is Singapore or Sydney.
Okay,
Right?
sure. That's what. Yeah. So there will always be a backup.
Yes, yes. AWS is providing very high availability. Availability,
Sure.
security is most important. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Any other questions, anyone?
One more question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So you said a key pair can be used to create multiple types of instances, right? Or
yes,
same type of instance multiple times? Is it that can also be worked? Like, see, if there is a line, if you are creating a Linux server, Linux instance, and with the using the same key pair, we can create multiple times also, right? Same Linux instance.
yes, you can use for any flavor. Whatever key you are using, that key you can use n number of times. Any server you can use. Even Windows also you can use. For Windows server also, you can use the key pair to generate the password.
Okay.
But in real-time
Understood.
projects, we don't use. Real-time projects, every server will have separate key. But in test lab, we can use.
Yeah, understood.
Yeah. So any other questions? Anyone? Still anyone having any issues with AWS account creation while creating an account? Fine. So today's concept is very important concept. Everyone should practice. Okay. So we stop here today because yeah, this concept is very important concept. Tomorrow we'll start storage. Storage is very important. Tomorrow we'll start storage. EBS volumes. In storage, we have different storage are there. EBS volumes, right? S3, simple storage service, EFS, elastic file system, and also Glacier. Different concepts are there in storage. So tomorrow we'll start storage. First we work on EBS volumes and snapshots and S3 bucket tomorrow. That will take nearly 1.5 hours. Fine. So you can practice this concept, AMIS concept, in real-time projects. When you get a chance to work on this, the same steps we use, same configurations we use. Right? Yeah. So we stop here. Fine. Yeah. Thank you all.